Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer or login into Facebook in your new phone. So all you have to do now, just install the Facebook first on your Android phone. Wait for it. Now after your login or after you install it, usually if your Facebook connected into your Google app or Meta, your Facebook automatically log in. This one, for example, just automatically logging in, but make sure you are a sign in on your Instagram, for example, or other app that have a Meta version. No need to worry to transfer your account, or you have to open other your Facebook on other phone. No need to do that. So the account will automatically logging in when you're connected or synchronized with Meta app on your phone. Now here we go. My Facebook is logging in. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. See you in the next video.